Hey guys, myself Rakesh and I welcome you back once again to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do support me by subscribing. Now let's get started to today's topic. Our topic is Python JSON and it's a part 2 of the Python JSON, and we are going to learn few more things around this. Okay, so first of all, what we will do in the previous video, I have given you explanation of how a JSON format looks like, right? And also I have given you an explanation on how do you convert a Python object to a JSON string in the previous video. So here we are going to learn little more, couple of new things around Python JSON. So here first of all, let me create an object. So I'm going to create an object called, I'll create a dictionary object in Python, and let's store something called name colon, and I'm going to say, let's say Harry, comma, double quote age, then colon, and then I'm giving some value, let's say 28, comma, and then let's say city, let's say he's from London. Okay, then let's say the email. I'm just creating multiple things, email, and here the email address is, let's say harry.test@test.com, something like that. Okay, just for an example. Okay, so this is the Python object. What kind of object this is? As a dictionary one. Okay, all right. Now how do I convert this? To convert this to a JSON string, I'll first import JSON module. Okay, after importing the JSON module, what I will do, I'll create an object called y, and inside this I will simply say json.dumps. So dumps is the function used or a method used to convert the Python object to JSON string. Everything I have explained in detail in my previous content. Okay, so in this one, what we will do, we'll learn few more things. Let's say I'm doing x, and then I'm going to say indent equals to, let's say I'm giving an indent of 5. Okay, so what this will do, this is going to print the object into a JSON format, right? So I will say print y, and if I run this, you can see it has printed in the name, age, city, email. The way it is listed, the same way it has been printed. What if I would like to sort them? So to sort, there is an option called, simply type sort keys. Sort keys is equals to, I'm going to say true. Okay, this true will be written in capital. If you write in small, this will throw error. So hit on run. Now what happened? This age has come in the top, then C, then E, then N, right? It has sorted in the right order. So this is one thing that you have learned. Now this, and one more thing I would like to also let you know, there is something called separators. So here if you see, all your separators are with the colon mark. What if I would like to put a equals mark? Is it possible? Yes, that is possible. So what you do, put a parenthesis after writing separators. So I'm using a parenthesis and double quote, comma, and in the next double quote I want an equal symbol. So if I run this, just see what is going to happen. Like this, the data is like this, and if I execute this, what happened? Now all the colon mark has been replaced with a equals to symbol, right? Okay, can I put any other symbol? Can I put let's say something like this? Can I put it? Okay, so you can see it is changing that colon mark to other separators that you would like to use, for example like this, or I would like to put semicolon, right, instead of colon. So even that is possible. Getting it? Now what if after 28 I would like to put a dot? So if you would like to put a dot in the first double quote that you have written, here inside this, whatever format you would like to put, let's say I want to put a dot here, so I'll put a dot over here. And then if I wanted to run this, what would happen? You can see after everything there is a dot. Now dot may not be appropriate. Let me put a comma. Let's say I want to put a comma, and this is supposed to remain equals to. So if I run this, what happened? Then you got a comma after every. So this is the way you can format the JSON string, right? How you like. So this is one of the two different things that you have learned: short keys and separators. How do you format that JSON string? So that's all about in this video, guys. So thank you. Please do support me by subscribing to my channel. I am going to come up with more such small modules, and finally, once we are done with everything, we are going to come up with automation modules, right? How do I do certain automation using Python? Slowly we are moving, but again, we need to have complete knowledge about everything. That's where we should get onto that specific area of accessing and practicing automation using Python. So till then, take care. Thank you guys for supporting me. Please do subscribe to my channel. Continue to like all the contents that you're watching on my channel. Thank you for all the support till now. Take care. Bye bye.